Only 10 minutes a day and your hands will look like 20s. It is very common to notice wrinkles on your hands in very young age, and most of the time it is all because of common mistakes that we generally do. With proper care you can easily remove them in just few weeks of time. Here is a simple remedies to get rid of these wrinkles. Eggs. Experts say that this powerful food helps to restore elasticity. It's very simple. Take the egg whites and mix them with 1 tablespoon of honey. Then grease the hands with this mixture and let them dry. Wash with soap and water. Potatoes. Potatoes can make your hands smooth again. Boil a few medium-sized potatoes and mash them using fork. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, honey and milk and put this mixture in the fridge. Apply the mixture 2-3 times a week and let it stay on your hands for about 15 minutes. Wash with soap and water. Rosehip oil. Rosehip oil will help you return the elasticity and strength of your hands, and this oil is also very nutritious. Massage your hands every day with this oil and relax them. Lemon and sugar. Squeeze half a lemon and mix it with 2 tablespoons of sugar and rub this mixture on your hands to improve the microcirculation. Wash with soap and cold water. Almond oil. Soak the hands in almond oil and then in cold water for about 5 minutes and then apply greasy cream. Put on cotton gloves on your hands and leave them overnight. In the morning your hands will be fully hydrated.